Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac OS version and that your laptop is online. This avoids errors during account changes. Next, back up any data to Time Machine or iCloud so nothing is lost when you remove the Apple ID. Then open System Settings, go to your Apple ID pane, and choose Sign Out. Enter the account password when prompted. Once done, decide whether to keep a copy of iCloud data locally. Make sure to disable File Vault or note the recovery key before proceeding. Once signed out, disable Find My so the Apple ID can be fully detached from the laptop. This is required for activation lock removal. Next, visit Appleid. Apple.com from the browser and sign in to review devices. Remove the laptop entry if it still appears to stop future associations. Make sure to revoke app-specific passwords and sign out of apps using that Apple ID. If prompted, confirm removal steps and restart the laptop to let settings update. This clears most linked services cleanly. To finish, create a new local user or sign in with a different Apple ID to restore full functionality. This ensures you can use App Store and iCloud features again. If you encounter activation lock or login errors after removal, reset nvram/pram and try signing in again, because cache settings sometimes block changes. If that fails, contact Apple support and have proof of purchase ready. They can remove activation lock. One troubleshooting tip: always keep your backup until you confirm the laptop operates as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.